a multimillionaire, and I still make a list every day. I still look at my list every day before I go to bed every single night. I look at my list, and I get up in the morning and I'm ready to go to call on my list. And every day when I'm out anywhere doing anything, if I meet someone, they go on the list. So you never run out of lists if you keep a list. And I think to still keep moving forward, that you'll always recruit like we talked about, but you need the list to recruit from. So if you want to build your business and keep moving forward to executive or executive to national, you'll get I'm old fashioned. I use the notebook because, I'm not this techie person. So I still have the hard copy 3-ring notebook, and I have them up to here in my office because I keep them all, because you never know when you want to try to find somebody or you run out of someone to talk to. You know what I do? I go to my list from 3 years ago, and they're all there. So however you keep a list, keep it. But to move forward, you've got to have a list to refer to. And if it's important, before you go to bed, you'll review your list, what you're going to do the next morning. And when you get up in the morning, you'll look at your list, and then it'll be very easy, Steve, to find 2 people to call and 2 people to follow up on. And then just get your high heels and your shoes on and your dress, and you go out.
Don't do that, Steve.
And you go find 2 people.